loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unit for you guys, and this unit is from RPGShow. So I haven't had a unit from RPGShow in a minute. But if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that RPGShow has always had some of my favorite lace, even before HD lace was even a thing. Like, their Swiss lace has always been fire to me. But this is what this unit looks like. It is a balayage unit. It's really pretty, you guys. Like, I love this freaking color, and I love that it's lighter at the ends. You guys will see. I have the camera kind of angled weird today for some reason, but you'll see at the end what I'm talking about. But I'm starting off, like always, by just slicking my hair back using the Got To Be glue, the clear one, and then I'm going to let it dry just because I am going to use real glue today, and I'm not doing the ball cap method, so I want to make sure all of my baby hairs are out of the way because I have hairs that like grow forward on my forehead, so I be having to like really slick those back. So yeah, slicking those back, putting my cap on and sliding it back a little bit, and then I'm going to do Ivy's method where you just take your foundation and dab it over the front. The Got To Be glue also helps with this, like it helps the foundation powder to kind of like stick into the hair. But yeah, this creates the illusion of the ball cap without having to do the ball cap. So after I do this, I'm going to take a little bit of alcohol just to clean up my hairline so that the glue has a good base to stick to. And yeah, then I'm going to begin doing this wig.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah.
Another thing that I've always appreciated about RPGShow's units is they just fit my head really good. Like, the construction of their units are just freaking bomb. Like, I never have to tweak them too much. They don't hang on my ears too much or anything like that. They just always like fit good. But this unit came with a right side part. I am a left side part girl, so I'm going to go ahead and switch this part, and I wanted to do it on my head because I want it to be exactly where I want it, because I'm using my perfect line in my parting area like always, and I need to see where I need to place it.
There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah.
So changing the part on a unit always requires a little extra work, so I like to go in with the mousse first, then a wax stick, and then my pressing comb to really get it flat and to really get the hairs going in the right direction.
And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are.
So you see me lifting the unit up because I'm trying to see where my natural hairline is, so I can see how far back I need to cut, like if I need to remove any of the hair on the wig. And I did need to remove just a tiny bit. Again, I told you RPGShow units are really good with their construction. So I'm just going to continue removing the lace, and then I'm going to take a wax stick and kind of slick the front back and brush it in, because with blonde hair, I mean, it happens sometimes with black hair too, but with blonde hair, it just always seems to be in a way, like the hair's just find your face for some reason. So I'm slicking it back because I am using real glue, and I just don't want to make a mess and get the blonde hairs everywhere. Then I got to get the tweezers out, and it's just too much. So I just slick that back, and then I'm going in with the Erica J Hold Me Down glue. And because I am using real glue and I'm not doing the ball cap method, like obviously it tells you exactly where you need to place your wig because you placed it on the ball cap. Because I'm not doing that, I want to make sure I'm putting the glue in the right spot so I don't get glue in places it does not need to be, because it's just a hassle removing it, and then sometimes you can accidentally make your lace lift, and we don't want that. So yeah, I just map out really lightly with that white eyeliner, and then I'm going to apply the glue.
Dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know that no words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no, no. We don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought,
so I'm not doing baby hairs today. I'm just sectioning out a little bit of the front all the way around so that I can pluck it a little bit later. But I want the glue and the lace to set first, if that makes sense. I don't want to get to pulling on it and then I accidentally lift the lace up or something because it's not completely dry yet or anything like that. So I'm just going to section this off, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the olive oil ORS holding spray and spray it in the part. Use my pressing comb to kind of press it back and get like the wig molded for the most part. And then I'm going to tie it down for a bit.
it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know that no words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more.
So after about 10 minutes, I removed the wrap strip, and then I'm going to comb out the crunch that may have got on the hair that I pulled out from the holding spray. And then I'm going to take my tweezers and thin out the whole section area all the way around.
We don't know. No words no more, no, no. We don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no, no. Yeah. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, I'd put you first.
For styling, I'm not going to do too much. I'm just making sure everything is super flat and super sleek. And then you guys know I said I'm not doing baby hairs. I'm just going to do a little sideburn situation just because you just can't have that little long piece. I mean, you can, but I don't want that little long piece just hanging on the side. And then I use my Revlon wand to do some loose waves.
I bought some new flowers, they all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Just want your time.
So adding a little bit of the jojoba oil to finish off the look, to add a little bit of shine and some softness to the hair. So the hair does look really, really good, especially for it to be this super processed blonde that I'm sure they did in one take. But it does feel a little dry. Like, you can't see it. It looks freaking bomb, but in the hand you can feel kind of the dryness a bit. So that's another reason why I wanted to add some oil to give it some softness along with the shine. But yeah, everything will be down below in the description box for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love this freaking color. I love the light ends. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.
You make me feel like we could be something more.